Hey gardener friends, today we will discuss the making of Coco Peat brick and also we will prepare this Coco Peat for the use in gardening. Coco Peat is an excellent growing medium for the home and lawn garden plants. This coconut peat block made out of natural ingredients, it is used for germination of seeds, enriching the soil with nutrients, growing plants, and for other gardening uses. It expands upon adding water to it. It helps to retain a high amount of moisture and is resistant to any bacteria or fungal growth. The coconut husk is subsequently sieved with a machine to remove any last remaining fibers or unwanted materials. Collecting the mixture is put into a compressor to be pressed to create coconut peat blocks or briquettes. The cocoa pith is finally dried, which should be achieved naturally under the sun. We will cut this block and take small pieces because as it will expand 5 to 7 times in size when rehydrated. And our this block is enough to fill a large drum after rehydration. We will use a common saw, wood cutting saw for cutting this block. Take water in a large sized bucket and immerse cocoa peat compressed block in it. Keep the block immersed in water for 3 to 4 hours so that it absorbs maximum water and loosens up. After 3 to 4 hours, the entire block will be absorb water and it will swell up to 3 times its weight. One disadvantage to coir is that it contains a naturally high amount of salt. Cocoa peat being extracted from the coconut husks are gently affected by the soil conditions of the area from where they are being harvested. Salt in cocoa peat can kill your plants. As a result, it is essential to rinse your cocoa coir in pH balanced water to remove the salt. Continue rinsing the coir until the tannies are washed out. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times for better results. Fill this cocoa coir with water and squeeze it with hands. After this, dry this cocoa peat in sunshine and after drying you can use this as a filling material in pots for air layering and for seed growing. You can watch many videos of air layering, seeds growing and potting mixture. Here we use this cocoa peat for growing seeds and these are the videos for preparing potting mixture using cocoa peat. These are the seeds grown in cocoa peat. Thanks for watching.